welcome to my channel. I am getting ready to go out, so I thought that this would be a perfect time to do 10 goals for the year of 2025 as a 28-year-old woman. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna just hydrate my face real quick. I am actually getting ready to go to the movies by myself. Does anybody else do that? It's actually kind of like nice and relaxing to be at the movies by yourself, especially if it's like really early. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. My first goal for the year of 2025 is to find a church home. I have been visiting churches for the past couple of months, and I learned that what I really want is to find a church home with a community my age as well. I really want to build friendships, and it's just nice to have that connection when you're in church. So I really am looking for a church home. All right, so number 2, I want to become a dancer. I really want to become a dancer. I've been obsessed with dance since like Dance Moms era, and I mean, it really inspired me. I don't know why I never did it, why I never got into it, why I never signed up, but that is something I really want to do. And I took my first ballet class for the very first time this past December, and it was tough, but it was so fun. And it's like, I'm just really excited for my progress this year. I really just want to do like a transformation as a very new dancer. So that is that's up there. That's one of my top goals, to become a dancer. All right, number 3 is I want to be bilingual. I've been trying to learn Spanish for I don't know how many years now, and I keep falling off. It's so irritating. So what I learned is I'm gonna just have to cough up the money and pay for like a course, a tutor or something. Because the thing about me is I don't waste time. If I'm putting money into it, I'm giving 100%. So I think that'll motivate me to become fluent. All right, my next goal for 2025 is I want to like blow up. And the thing is, I don't think there's anything per se wrong with my style, but I do want to kind of like elevate. I'm getting like, really close to 30, and I feel like I should have a good idea of what my style is, but I don't quite yet. So that's what I want to do. I really want to get, savvy with the accessories. I want to have my hair done all the time. I'm gonna have my nails looking good. You see, y'all like my nails, actually. And yeah, I just wanna look good all the time. All right, next, I want to improve cooking. I've been cooking a lot like this past year, and I really have improved a ton. But I just really wanna be like a great cook. That is something that I really wanna do. Really want to be good at, want to feel comfortable like cooking for friends and stuff and get-togethers and things like that. And yeah, I am gonna just continue that. That's in progress now, but that's something that I really want to see a huge improvement on this year. All right, so my next goal is the gym. I need to get back in the gym. My core strength is at a 0. And my stamina is at an all-time low. I don't really do cardio, to be honest. Even when I was in the gym, I was really just focusing on lifting. So I did like tons of leg work, but that was pretty much it. But I really need to do more cardio, 100%. All right, my next goal is a relationship. I really want a relationship. I haven't been in an actual relationship in years. I went on dates and things like that, but nothing serious, nothing ever lasted. So that is what I am really hoping for this year. I love this like NYX brow pen. You just kind of like All right, so my next goal is traveling. So I did travel a pretty good amount actually in 2024. I visited Toronto for the very first time, which was nice. And I also went to Denver twice to visit one of my good friends. And so that was fun. Spent New Year's there. But this year, I want to continue that. And I think my goal going forward, I want to leave the country once a year. I know that's a very big goal and it takes a lot of preparation, but if I can like visit a new country once a year, I think that would be like so amazing. I did solo travel in 2023 for the very first time. I went to Portugal. And that was my first time that was my very first time leaving, like going overseas. And it was just such a good experience. So that's something that I really want to continue. Yeah, I have a couple places that are on my list. And yeah, I just hope to do that. And it doesn't have to be solo. I could go with friends, I can do whatever, but I just want to I want to use my passport. This looks pretty. All right, this looks, I'm going for a very light look. Like I'm just hanging out by myself, going to the movies, going out to eat, that's it. So I'm just doing a very light look. And it's freezing outside, so I'm gonna be all covered up anyway. So my next goal is theater. So I love the theater. I love live theater. I actually participated and I took my first workshop at the end of 2023. And it was a lot of fun. I like the community. I like the art itself. And it's just a lot of fun. I really want to jump into it. I've been seeing a lot of creators do background artist work and things like that. And I think that's a little bit more up my alley because I think I would prefer acting for film rather than the stage, but I really love both. I love watching it, I love participating in it, and as an introvert, this really helped me ease a lot of social anxiety, and it was just fun to get out my shell and stuff. So that's something that I really love doing. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's an easy way to meet friends, and I don't know, you just meet a lot of talented people in the theater world. A lot of talented people from all backgrounds. I really like it. I have the tiniest lashes in the world, but I will do a little mascara every now and then. All right, very, very light. Okay, my last goal for 2025 is I want to continue to get closer with my girlfriends. I have learned how important sisterhood is, and I don't know, this is just the time where I've been really leaning on my friends and stuff. And it's just really helped me grow as a person, and it's just beautiful to see how much people grow. And as we're approaching our 30s, it's just I don't know, I've been watching Girlfriends a lot lately, and I'm it's so important to continue growing friendships you already have, and of course gaining new friendships. So that's something that I really want to of course continue to appreciate and grow in 2025. I forgot to show this. It's just a little crayon, Ulta crayon, lip crayon. Mix that together, and that is it. I'm gonna put some gloss on top. And there you have it, a very simple look for going out by yourself. All right, so this is the final very light look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed my 10 goals for the year 2025. Please let me know in the comments what your goals are. Do we have some in common for those of you who are my age? And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.